This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pressing the Xbox button and opening the guide. Sign in if needed. Once done, navigate to Profile and System and choose Settings because your account context controls multiplayer access. Make sure you have an active Xbox Live subscription or relevant permissions. Without that, you cannot join online sessions. Then go to Settings Account to find Privacy and Online Safety. This is where the multiplayer controls live, so be ready to adjust specific options in the next steps. Once in Privacy and Online Safety, choose View Details and Customize so you see granular controls. You will toggle multiplayer and communication permissions, allow, block, or limit voice and text, because those settings determine who can see and interact with you. Also review game content and clubs for crossplay or community access. Make sure to pick adults, teens, or a custom profile to match safety needs. Custom lets you tweak each permission for a tailored balance between access and privacy. After adjusting settings, save and either sign out and back in or restart your console so changes take effect. This prevents stale permissions. Then test by joining a party or multiplayer match and check your NAT type. Open NAT is ideal for connectivity. If you still can't play, make sure UPnP is enabled on your router, forward necessary ports, and verify Xbox Live service status. These network steps fix most problems. If nothing works, try removing and re-adding the account as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.